Ah, I feel under the weather. Hello, students. Here is your idiom of the day. Feel under the weather. To feel under the weather means to feel sick, to not feel well. We like to use this idiom anytime we are not feeling well. We can use this idiom in a sentence. For example, hi, how are you feeling today? Today, I am feeling under the weather. Or if someone asks you, how are you? You could say, I am feeling under the weather. It means to not feel well. You can use this idiom to be formal or informal. For example, if you go to the doctor and your doctor says, how are you feeling today? You can say, Doctor, I am not feeling well. Or if you're talking to friends or someone that you know, you can use this idiom as well. So I hope that you are not feeling under the weather and instead you are feeling great. Thank you so much for watching today. I hope you enjoyed today's idiom of the day. Always try your best and I'll see you in the next video. Have a good day.